Hi children, welcome to our class. This is our last class of the chapter water. We have seen the different sources of water, water cycle, and we have seen flood and drought. Now we know that the different places of our country get rain at different quantities. Different quantities of rain we are receiving at different places. Depending upon several factors, we are getting different amount of rain there at different parts of our country. So, and we know that some places have excessive rain there, and some places will have the lack of rain, and also some places will not get enough water for their activities, and some places the people will get excess amount of water there. So, what we have to do is we have to conserve water. What do you mean by water conservation? Water conservation is collecting water and using water wisely. Using water wisely without wasting water. Wisely collecting water and using wisely and carefully use water without wasting it, and also maintaining its quality. The quality to be maintained there, and we should not waste it, we should use it carefully. Then that such sort of activities we are calling it as conservation of water. Okay, water has to be conserved for future generation or future uses. Suppose mainly we are depending monsoon for our water requirement, right? And that monsoon season is only at a particular month, right? And the rest of the year will have that will not have sufficient rain there. So what we have to do is, when we are getting that rain during monsoon season, plenty of rainwater will be there. We have to collect that rainwater and we have to store it for future use. That can be done by harvesting rainwater. Okay, so we can see that conserving, what is water conservation? Water conservation is, it is collecting water, collecting and using water wisely and carefully. Wisely and carefully, without wasting and maintaining, its quality. That is actually water conservation. How can we conserve water? By adopting the technique of rainwater harvesting. What do you mean by rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is collect rainwater from where it is falling. From the place of falling, there we can collect rainwater and we can store it for future uses. That is actually rainwater harvesting. So, water conservation can be done by rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means collecting rainwater from the rooftops from where it is falling, and that water can be collected and stored for future uses. That is actually rainwater harvesting. And there are two methods for collecting that rainwater from the rooftop and all. First method is from that rooftop and all, we can collect rainwater through pipes, using pipes and all, and we can send it to we can send it to a tank, large tank. So, we can store this rainwater there in tanks or directly we can send it to a pit which is there in the soil. Ground we can make a pit there, and to that pit also, that from the rooftops and all, that rainwater is collected through the pipes and all, that water can be sent to the large tank or to the pit which is created there in the ground. So, in that way we can harvest the rainwater. And the second method for harvesting the rainwater is directly we can send to the roadside drains. Directly we can send rainwater to the rainwater to the open drains. In the open drains, roadside there will be open drains and all. To that drains, this rainwater will be, we can directly send that rainwater to the open drains and all, and that will be going to the, seeping down to the soil there or land there. So, that groundwater will be recharged or amount of groundwater will be increased there. So, like so we can conserve water there by the process of rainwater. There are two different methods are there for harvesting rainwater. From the rooftops also we can collect that water, as well as we can send that from the rooftops we can directly, or from the land and all, we can directly allow it to go through the drain, open drain, and so that it will be seeping down to the soil. Hope this much is clear to you. This class we have seen that what is water conservation and the method of rainwater harvesting. Thank you.